What's bubblegum poppin'?
So good.
Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, just stopping by, don't forget to give this video a nurse a thumbs up before you leave, and don't be bangy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. And if you're already gang, welcome back. All right, y'all. So today we are doing a tomahawk steak. It's not a giant one. We gonna get into that. But anyway, y'all, you know what that means. That means I am 100% finished with my orders. For the drip sauce, I have some lemon drip, I have a tomahawk steak, and I have my lemons right there. And I'm just sipping on some wild berry sea grim. So good. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and say grace and we're gonna get started. Amen. Y'all, I've been wanting this steak. I ain't want to do nothing on the side because I'm low-key trying to save my appetite. I'm trying to save my appetite, y'all. Hold on. Let me move over some. Okay, that's better. I got my shoulders out. I look all naked and stuff. Stop. I just come and eat for y'all. That's all. Got some lemon drip. I don't know, y'all. No, it's me. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's me trying to save my appetite. But eating that steak, I don't know. But anyway, y'all, happy freaking Friday. I hope y'all are enjoying your day. I hope y'all all set for the weekend. I hope y'all got all y'all presents out the way, all y'all Christmas shopping. If not, I hope y'all doing that this weekend, because all the good shit about to be gone, and I need y'all to get me something, okay? Y'all, I told y'all when I seasoned that tomahawk steak, I made sure she is well seasoned. So with this steak being very seasoned, plus this lemon drip, just like the perfect balance. Yo, this little steak, they tried her, okay? They really did. Now, y'all, I sent my friend to go and get the steak because I was too busy. Now, I sent my friend $40 to get me a steak. I didn't even check the price tag. The steak was $18, y'all. The steak was $18. And I got like $6 and change. Sir, you owe me some coin. But she's so little. But it's okay. Y'all might just get a chance to watch me eat the bone like a little savage head out. Y'all, I came up with the name for our vlog channel, right? And I need everybody watching this video, y'all go and subscribe to the channel. I didn't post a video yet. Let me say again. I didn't post a video yet. You know, because somebody gonna ask, I subscribe to the channel. There ain't no video now. It will be some videos. So y'all, I did not write the person's name down, but I'll make sure I put in my description right along with the name or the link to my vlog channel, y'all. But shout out to a fashionista. The F in the FNTgang for y'all that's new. For helping me with my vlog channel's name. Now, on my last video, I was asking, I was like, what should I name the vlog channel? Because I'm really trying to like steer in having the channel, well, having the vlog channel have my name. Like, a little vibe that I want to go with. I had some like Ryan's World, 50 Shades of Black, Getting to Know Ryan, Ryan's TV. Now, don't get me wrong. Those are some good ones now. But when sis inboxed me and said it should be Banji something, I was like, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one, y'all. So, my new channel is Ryan So Banji. Period. Ryan So Banji TV. Y'all, I know my presentation looked Banji. Somebody else called me out on that. They was like, Ryan, your presentation used to be the T, honey. What happened? Okay. It's the fact, y'all, that when I set up to record, my plate really be looking cute. Yeah, it really do. But yes, I eat the membrane. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's why I don't eat it on camera. I be wanting to eat it in peace. But anyway, y'all. Excuse me. What was I talking about? Oh, presentation. Y'all, but when I set up, right, I've been having a lot of people recommend that my food be very close to the camera. I think I'm gonna stop doing that because it messes up the view of the presentation, y'all. So when I sit my plate down and I look at the camera, I don't see in the camera what I see in real life, right? So I start trying to who is mowing the lawn when it's dark outside? Yeah, y'all see it went off, right? Anyway. So I started fumbling with stuff. Stuff started to fall. Stuff started to look dingy. I'm like, oh no, If I go back in the kitchen and try to redecorate, I'm getting upset. I'm being here in the camera. Like, hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Like, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So, I just leave it as it is, so I just have to start practicing and looking for a new way, or the old way, to set my camera up. I mean, I be thinking that too. I'm like, oh, this look fool, but hey. I got to film because I got stuff to do. But I don't want to just give y'all whatever, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like I owe y'all more. That's why I'm doing this vlog channel for real. Bangi TV, B-A-N-G. That's not how you spell the original Bangi word. But you know, you gotta be a little creative. That's it, y'all. Done. After I'm done editing this video about to be 6 minutes. I'm about shaving my appetite. Me and Jamal, we supposed to be going out tonight. So, I try to say my appetite. I just need an appetizer. I don't know, y'all. Because when we go out, he kind of get mad if I don't eat anything. If I already ate or did a mukbang. So, that's why I just wanted a steak. No sides. But anyway, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe to my new channel. Ryan So Bangi TV. I'm actually saying the Bangi TV. That's cute. That's cute. But anyway, subscribe to the channel. You won't regret it. I'll give y'all more of me. Other than just sitting here eating. I know a lot of people actually like that. But I want y'all to really see what I do outside of mukbangs. Like, I'm a mess. It ain't even funny. I'm so serious. But anyway. Thank y'all so much for joining me for dinner. If you haven't already, please give this video a nasty thumbs up if you like it, of course. And don't be Bangi. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you too can be a part of the FNTgang. Alright, y'all. I'm out. Yes, indeed. And don't forget to stay popping but deliciously. I will leave that link in the description below, as well as the person that helped me come up with the name. For the name that I like, I wasn't going to tell everybody because I didn't want everybody to get all funky. But I let her know that she will receive a free bottle of drip. And yeah, so she's very excited. I'm very excited with the name. I love the name. I played around with it a few times. I already got my intro together. So all I have to do is produce the videos and... Oh, that's a motorcycle. But anyway, y'all, I'm out. I will see y'all next time. Have a safe weekend. Bye.